Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix OneDrive error 0x80071129 in Windows 11. You will enter the command that you see on the screen and that we left you in the description of the video in the search box. Click on Run command, and after a moment, the OneDrive window will open. This indicates that OneDrive has been reset, correcting this error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.